My name is Yvette Chota Crisostomo. I was born in 1992. I have been living in San Juan de Miraflores since I was born. I lived there with my parents and my two siblings. When I was 4 years old, I was studying at a kindergarten. While I was studying elementary school, I got a lot of diplomas. I learned to ride a bicycle when I was 8 years old. I like to play in the park with my parents. I spent a lot of time with my parents. I had already finished my elementary school in 2002. In 2005, I wanted to be an accountant, but after years, I changed my mind. I want to be a dentist. I finished my high school in 2007. I have been studying English for 2 years. By the year 2030, I will have finished my career, and I will be working in my own clinic. I'm going to do my best in order to make my dreams reality. Thank you.